My name is Tapunga Nepe. I'm the kaitiaki Māori here at the Tairawhiti Museum. Today at 1 p.m. We will be hosting a debate, or a tautohe as we say it in Māori, as a way of celebrating and promoting Māori Language Week here at the Tairawhiti Museum.
Tika te rā kōrero ne rā. E takai katoa ana tātou. Hei aha mana tāne. Ia rātou I te wai whānau tamariki ana tātou.
So we'll have two teams of 3 per side. There will be a women's team and a men's team. And the topic of today's debate will align to the theme of this year's Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, which is nurture the language in parents.
A mihi mai ki ngā ringa. Ringa mihi mai ki ngā wāwai. A mihi mai ki a mātau te ngā tāne pukumahi. He ringa puke prāua. He ringa hōiho. He ringa māra. Koinei te reo tāne. Ko te raru o ngā kura, he nui rawa ngā wāhine kai roto ngā kura.
The people that we have welcomed or have made part of this debate are people that have come from a background of teaching or working with students who are keen at learning te reo. So it's going to be an enjoyable day here at Tairawhiti Museum. Having just the 1 week to celebrate Māori Language Week, it is important that we speak it, or that we encourage each other to best practice the language, because it's the language of the land. It's what makes us unique to any other country in the world, which is te reo Māori.